let's talk about it right now. Welcome back to another video. There's surely a line of all trades. And discuss GME right now. Currently, um, during overnight trading hours on Robinhood, um, it's at 23.30. So slightly down 2%. But if you can actually see a little bit here, I don't know if I can actually. I want to circle it here with my mouse, but looked like it was at about 22.90 at the end of what is this? Actually, it was around 22.90 again, and it did like another bounce off from that same level. So it's slowly trying to creep back up and be able to if we're able to retest 24 25 tomorrow, at least 24 first. But if it continues to go up, then by all means, let Jimmy rip. And then AMC would follow afterwards. So you already know that if I show you on the 5 minute, I can literally show you from today's action the same trading patterns, algorithms, and all that. And it's just same thing. I want to look at SPY real quick, and it looks different. Okay, I don't know what this was all about, but I thought at some point we was gonna crash all the way down back to like 520 from last week. But anyways, keep in mind, all right, because you know that markets can influence the way GME and AMC move. Because we did see SPY come back up. We saw a little bit of that action towards the end of market day into market close. But we see here that there's a bit of consolidation going on here. We did see um, Jimmy try to jump, and it ended up reaching about 24.15. So even though this is the case, and it actually pulled back a bit more, back to like 23, you see this actually creeping back up. So, um, which could be a good sign for sure. But again, you also gotta factor in what could happen tomorrow in markets. So if the SPY, you know, decides to slide back, oh, actually, wow, it's actually, wow, okay, so it's down 0.31%, and it's pulling back. It's trying to retest the lows from today's action here on many S&P 500 mini futures. So what I'm saying is, if this is the case, AMC and GME could get affected by that, unless there is some type of news. I'm just saying, in my opinion, or some type of catalyst, or maybe GameStop um, ends up using the $1 billion in proceeds. And as you can see here in this stupid website here, the key points when you see that shares of GameStop previously sold off on news of an offering and quarterly results, investors are now bullish on the offering because what they could do is they could use that for proceeds in terms of maybe an acquisition or some other type of investments. So that's the speculation right now that we have going for GameStop as of right now. Um, Also, we see here in this article that um, that the cash could be also be, you know, putting GameStop to work and turn around and seeing a shift to digital games. So there's a lot of things in there speculating. As of as far as Roaring Kitty is concerned, um, not really thinking much about him. Really don't know what happened. Last tweet was around May 17th, right as GameStop was trading. I want to say so the 17th, around this point where GameStop hit a bottom at around 19 to 20 bucks and was consolidating. And there afterwards, didn't hear him. I didn't hear from him. So I don't know what's up with that. But in the 4 hour, we can see real quick. Also, this low key looks like it it was trying to pull off maybe a Head and Shoulders. So something like that. So who knows if this were to happen? I would assume that the technicals would play out and we would see GameStop pull back to around the $21 range, right where the 50-day simple moving average is. Um, and if the market also reacts and it slides down to, as you saw the SPY doing with the futures, then we could probably see that fall a little bit more below. But that's just a possibility, right? We're just being hypothetical here. But I would love to see GameStop bounce back. From this point, it has to stay above 23 and retest the 200-day SMA, which would be around 26.19 or 26.50. If this is moving up, it would have to be 26.50 as the next target of resistance for GameStop to break out. And if that happens, and you of course know that AMC would have to follow too as well and make that move and retest that level around 520, 520 above there, and continue seeing a rally, in my opinion. So, that being said, that's what I think about what's happening right now, in my own opinion. And as far as overnight trading right now, it's staying, it's consolidating. 23, 29, 23.30. So again, it has to stay above 23 regardless. Have a a nice established bottom and then a rebound. And if we break over 24, then we could potentially see more push to the upside. And then alongside with AMC2 as well. So that's it. Just a quick quick overview and a little update for y'all. And I'm all behind you, Dave community. And I really want to see this happen. So stay strong, keep your head up, don't break, don't bend for anyone that tells you otherwise. And you know what you hold. So by all means, again, anything that I've said here in this video is strictly in my opinion, not financial advice. And you're your own decision of your money, decision maker of your own money and your investments, as long as you're playing it safe. Whichever way you go, just make sure you are financially stable and protected, and hedge, of course. Stay properly hedged. Anyways, that's the video for tonight. Best of luck. Wish you the best this week. And let's go. Take care. Line of all trades.